welcome back to BFHM Gaming. Today I'm going to be doing a Roblox Studio tutorial, which is my first one. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic stuff. So first of all, you open up Roblox Studio and there's loads of stuff going on. So so in my games it shows you all the games you have, and then if you click new, let's just start with base plate because that's the simplest one. So then once that green bar reaches the end, okay, here we are. So first of all, to move around you use W to go forwards, S to go backwards, A to go left, and D to go right, and E to go up, and Q to go down. And you can also scroll in and out like that. So we got a lovely grey base plate, and you should have Explorer and Properties open at the side, but if you don't, you can just go to View and there's the buttons. So if you just open them like that. So if you want to change the base plate, then you click this arrow next to Workspace in the Explorer and you find base plate, and then if you go to brick color you can see it says dark stone grey. So you click that, choose whatever colour you want, and let's have it bright red. Yeah. But also, what if we don't want these studs on top? You go to Model, and Surface, then you click Smooth. Wait. And you need to also, because this base plate is locked at the moment, so you can't actually select it. So to do this, just click Lock, and then click it. And then the padlock should be open. So now, there we are. So now it's all smooth apart from this plastic texture, which is fine. So we've got a lovely base plate, which is actually really big. And then so first of all, to put a block into our game, we just click the part button, and as if by magic, a block appears in our world. So let's look at the basic stuff. So the move tool, it moves like it just like moves. Let's just let's delete this one and make a new one. It's exactly the same. So the select tool is just, it's selected and then you can drag it around like that. The move tool moves it like this, and you can only move it on a certain axis. The scale tool is basically just what it says. It's just to scale it. You can go bigger, you can go smaller, you can go tiny, or if you hold shift, then it actually increases all of it at the same time. And then the rotate tool is just rotating. You just rotate it like that. So now we've learnt the basic stuff. What if we want something like, so if you click the drop down menu under part, there's different options you can choose. There's block, sphere, wedge and cylinder. So the block is the one we just did, and this is the one we have by default. But if you click sphere, it comes up as a sphere in the game. And then the wedge, it's a wedge. Yeah. And last but not least, a cylinder is a cylinder. Very simple. So if you want to change the material of this, you just go to material. So you first select it, you go to material, then you change it. So let's have this one pebble. So now there's a nice lovely pebbly texture. And then change this one. Why don't we change it to wood planks? A wooden ball. And now diamond plate. That's cool. And then why don't we go to, why don't we choose concrete? So now I've got a concrete. So we got lots of lovely things. And also change colour. It's just next to material, you change the colour like that. You can change it like that. and you can just change it like that if you want a yellow one, and you can change it to that if you want a brown one. So, and then to test your game, you click play, and then it will drop you into your game at the spawn point, like this. And then here's all your lovely blocks. But the thing is, as soon as you touch this ball, it'll start rolling. And that's the same with the cylinder. It just starts rolling along. But what if you don't want that? What if you want it to be like just normal? To change that, so let's click the ball, and then what we need to do is click anchor. The shortcut for this is Alt and A, if you want to use that. That's what I usually use because it's quicker. So then, if we test it again, and then if we just head over here, then if we walk into this, even if we like have an insane speed boost, it won't budge. Yeah, so that's basically the basics. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching, and goodbye. Oh, yeah, and also, yeah, subscribe, yeah, and also like this video, and also turn notifications on. Yeah.